Hello students, so I want to give you a preview for next week and what you will be doing. We will be working on Desmos Marbleslides and also playing around with roller coasters. So I hope we will have a fun little project before we start preparing for portfolios or for our finals. So this is what I have planned out so far. The other things, I have an idea of what we want to do, but I still need to finalize that, so that's why I put it on a light color, so that might not happen, but the darker colors is stuff that will happen. For next Monday and Wednesday, we'll work on Desmos Marbleslides. Then on Friday, we'll do a roller coaster challenge. And on the Monday after, the week after, we will work on another Marbleside. We'll finish up what we were doing the previous week and we will create our own roller coaster designs. Then there are 2 days where you have no school. Veterans Day, it's a holiday, you don't have school there. And on Friday, there's no classes, but teachers might call you to meet with you, so you might have one-on-one meetings, but you will not have classes. Then on the week 14, we will vote. We will see who has the best roller coaster design, and then we will start doing some review. I haven't planned all that out yet, like I said, so there is class here. Then the week after is Thanksgiving, and then we will just have 3 more weeks before you're off for winter and Christmas break. So that's what I've planned so far. I do want to show you the Marbleslides first. Here's the activity. In the first section, please read your instructions here because if not, you might get it wrong. So it just says launch. So the first page is just often launching. If you hit all the stars, then you are good. Then you can move on. Now, there are some that will tell you instructions now, like fix it. Change one number in the row below to fix the Marbleside. So you could change the number here, this number, or this number, but only one number. So if you change more than one number, that would not be correct. So make sure you read the instructions so you don't change more than one number. And if you get confused, you can always reset. This is the button to reset. So let's take a look here. Let's say I changed that to 10 and I knew that didn't work, but then I wanted to change this to 3, and then I changed this to like negative 198, and I'm like, oh no, I don't know what to do, because when I click launch, my balls just drop there and it doesn't hit the stars. And I'm like, oh no, I forgot how to change it back. Click this button here, click reset, it'll take you back, then you can just change one number again. And if you change it, maybe it gets closer and you could try it. Still not good enough, so maybe I have to check a different number. Try it. Make sure you hit all the stars. If it says success, you can move on, okay? Just so you know, the first section, the fix-its, I hope that you can finish all of these on the Monday. And then the Wednesday, there is a different section where it'll start on page 22. So here it says challenge. These I'm hoping you can start by Wednesday. So I'm hoping you can finish all the fix-its and predictions on Monday, then do the challenges on Wednesday. It is really similar for both the pre-calculus class and the advanced algebra class, except your equations are different. So pay attention to the instructions. It will tell you what type of equations that you need to write. So for example here, it says use periodic functions only, meaning use only sine and cosine. You should not be using lines or exponential functions or anything else. But for the advanced algebra class and the math support class, it says use lines here. So make sure you read the direction. Whatever it says here, lines, you use lines only. And then here is a parabola, so you use parabolas. So make sure you read to know what equations you're using, because if not, if you get the wrong ones, it won't work for you, okay? And lastly, I just want to show you this roller coaster here. So we're going to use this website to build a roller coaster. You get to change the colors, you get to change the design of your roller coaster. You can also change how many cars you have, and then you build your roller coaster. Once you build your roller coaster, then you click next, and when you're done, you can start making your roller coaster. There are hills, there are loops. Try different designs, but your roller coaster has to end and it has to stop at the right place. If not, if you don't make it with enough energy, it'll be stuck, or if you go too far, you might break the ramp and have too much energy. So because of that, you need to build a roller coaster that works. And at the end, you could test and launch your roller coaster. Once you're all done, they will give you a score. Our goal is to make a roller coaster that works and also get the highest score. As you can see, I built a roller coaster that does not work. It gets stuck, so the score isn't very high. So make sure you do a better job than me. And then what we're going to do the week after is, if we go back to the marble slide, on the last challenge, I created a free play, so it's blank. All it does is that it will launch the little balls here, but you have to make up equations. When you launch it, it'll drop and it'll move. But that's kind of boring, right? So I wanted you to grab some ideas that you saw from your roller coaster here, use it to design your best roller coaster here. You will have that full week to do it because we have no classes those days. We'll start on Monday, but then whatever you don't finish will be your homework. And then on the Monday, the week after, when we come back, we will share all our Marbleslides projects and we will vote for the best, the fastest, the most fun, and the most creative roller coaster. So that's it for the next 3 weeks. Once I know more, I will post it in your Google Classroom and it will be in the slides there. All right. I hope you have fun with this project. I'm really excited. I hope we all do great.